If you ever feel that sharp, violent jerk in your chest after a big meal, your body is actually glitching. You'd think a hiccup is just a harmless noise, but you'd be dead wrong. But before I show you why it happens, if you have a stomach, tap that like button and subscribe for more. When you guzzle food too fast, your stomach swells and slams into your diaphragm. This irritates the muscle, forcing it to spasm and pull a violent gulp of air into your lungs. To protect you, your vocal cords snap shut, creating that signature hic sound. It's a biological collision. I hit a tiny golden trophy in this video. If you missed it, you weren't paying attention. Did you see it?